Now my question is, did you catch some of the show?
Unfortunately, only 3 songs, but one of them was my favorite. So yeah, I think that was good.
Would you like to address the people tonight? Or are you not saying that? It's about the show? Okay, but we just wanted to show you love. We wanted to show you love and thanks for allowing us to be in your country. We thank you so very much for allowing us to just perform in front of all your beautiful people. Yes.
We got a full system. What's her name? What they do? Come on.
Oh, Minister.
Come on. Both of y'all. Come on out there. We might as well.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Minister.
Come on, man. Come on. Gotta show love, man.
Yeah, once again, this is a beautiful moment, and we thank you so very much to just the whole entire country, to the government here in Jamaica. We thank
Ready? Oh yes, now me wouldn't mind if you didn't know me when you play this one. One more time, I will say, don't you pull up like your favorite song. Well, you have fans that don't recognize this. I'm time to sing this, and I said me sing it. How you go then? I would never imagine. Now look at me looking at you. You don't know what to do. Relax, I know what we know you. I see some solitude, yes. But there's no one, everybody's trying to talk to me, but nobody wanna hear me out. Everybody's got some things to say. Honestly, because I move them out. The things they say makes no sense, and I'm not trying to figure it out. It's best you just leave me out. But no matter the one I got to miss with it. Now everything seems to do problems for you. I was arguing again and again. And when I try to speak to you, now that I say so, your brother, what do you get that sing? Everything with yourself. I see Bob Marley do it, and we learn from the greats, don't it? And when they all learn to play that instrument, you understand you alone, them alone if you play it. Wrong one, you're bringing it with somebody, not learn. Alright, we have sound, let's go. Very important song, the one of them wanted. Ready again.